Hello everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. So in today's video you will be learning these beautiful cute little tiny foam flowers. Hope you will be loving it. So let's get started. So for making our today's project we need to have all these things: blue and pink color foam sheets, blue and pink color archival inks, sponge daubers, ball tool, glue, and any brand flower pearls of golden color. Here I am using Trust My Craft flower pearls. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. So for making our today's project of foam flowers, we need to have these flower pamphlets like this. As I have already pre-cut these pamphlets. So here I have used the Trust My Craft 6-petal flower die for that, and I have already cut these dies from my Big Shot machine. So if you don't have any machine and if you don't have these dies, then you can make your own pamphlet like this, and then you can cut it, and after that you can use this pamphlet on your foam sheet, and then you can cut your flower petals like that. So what we have to do, we have to use our iron for this. So as here I have already preheated this iron, and now I'm just going to take first petal on it like that. Then I'm going to use my ball tool like that. You can see like that. So it is embossed, and now here I'm taking this foam and then I will emboss it like that. So we have to follow the same procedure with the other 2 petals like that, and then it is very easy to make in few minutes like that. Now we don't need our iron. So now what we have to do, we have to just take our flower petals. So if you want to give the color effect to the edges of these petals, so here I am taking this blue ink and using my sponge dauber, we can give the dark color effect to our edges of the petal like that. And if you don't want to give, then it's not necessary to give, it's an optional process. If you really want to do, then you can do, otherwise you can skip this. Like that. So now what we have to do, we have to just take our glue and apply a little glue in the center of the flower like that, and then attach the middle petal on it. Now we have to attach this smaller one. Like that. Now in center I am going to apply this glue, and I will use these golden pearls. It will give a beautiful effect to it. Now I will take excess pearls. So now our flower is done. Isn't it looking pretty? So by following same procedure, we have to make this another one also. Like here I'm applying. In this I'm not using the Kaival ink for the edges. I'm just making it in simple way. So you can make by following this process also. So you will not need any ink for that. Just I'm dabbing the excess pearls. So as you can see, flowers are ready. So for today our project has been completed. Hope you people liked it. If you people are liking our videos, then please do subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you will not miss any update from our channel. Thank you for watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. Keep watching.